How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can almost triple your internet speed on Xbox One in 2020. It's actually a very simple, straightforward tutorial. What we're going to be utilizing, and I'm going to show you in this video, is actually how to use an Ethernet cable on your Xbox One. Xbox makes this really easy to connect your system to Ethernet. Also, there's my dog. So it's super straightforward. You're going to need obviously an Ethernet cable for this process, and you're also going to need somewhere to plug it in, maybe a router to plug it in, or if you have an Ethernet port in an outlet or something like that, that also works. So yeah, let's hop into this video. If you guys go on to enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below any future video suggestions you would like me to make, any questions, comments, concerns, all can go down in the comments. So let's hop into the process. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be showing you how to actually use a sample router since I don't have my router in my room. This is just a backup my family has that we don't use at the moment. We currently just use an Xfinity modem / router. It acts as both because that it can not only transmit a Wi-Fi signal throughout the house, but it also is where we get our wired internet. This is not a modem and router. I believe this is just a router in itself. So as you can see here, you would plug like the Xfinity internet thing into the internet port here, giving this internet, and then you can plug in various Ethernet ports to other devices on here. And then this would transmit an Wi-Fi signal throughout the house. But we don't need that anymore since Xfinity does both now. It's a router and modem. So it's really self-explanatory if you have one of these devices. Here's the power cable that plugs into the wall, very straightforward. And so basically what you would do, you would take your Xbox One, you need an Ethernet cable, obviously. I have a yellow one right here. Take an Ethernet cable, plug one end into the back of this. If I can do this with one hand. Plug it into the back of here, transmitting the internet connection through the yellow cable, and then you take the other end and plug it into your actual Xbox, which I will show you right now. Now this method is really easy, it's straightforward, guys. There's nothing too complicated about this. Just with a wired internet connection, you can be getting much stable speeds, uninterrupted by other people using bandwidth in your home, or I don't know, in your apartment or stuff like that. It's not shared. So you get all the internet through the cable, super secure and super powerful and speedy. Okay guys, so we're back and we're actually behind my Xbox right now. And as you can see down the end right, where is it, right here, this is actually your Ethernet port in the back of your Xbox. This is gonna be how we're connecting it to our actual router or modem, what have you. So we have our cable here that I showed previously. You're just going to take that and plug it in the back. Plugs right in there, easy. And then you're going to take the other cable and plug it in to your router. Now, so the difference between a modem and a router, the modem's the actual thing that holds the internet that comes from your wall, basically. The router is the thing that's transmitting your internet connection over Wi-Fi to your household or apartment or what have you. So this Cisco one's actually just a router. Most Xfinity modems now contain a router within it, so they can broadcast Wi-Fi signals, which is nice. But you take this. Okay, I can't even plug this in properly. You take this. Sorry, there's like no slack. And you would plug it in the back. This is super difficult to do with one hand. Do I have this backwards? I might have this backwards. Yep. There we go. And it just clips right in the back there, into the back of the Xbox, into the router. Now, usually, since this is connected to a modem, you can plug multiple Ethernet ports in the back of here. So if this was near your Xbox One, this would work perfectly fine. Just make sure that you actually have internet connection going into this. If it's an external router and doesn't have any built-in internet, since you need internet to go, you need an internet pass through right here into this internet slot right here. Obviously, because you're not going to transfer an any internet through this if you don't have any internet going into your router specifically. So just keep that in mind. Guys, this works very easily. I think the only difficult thing about this process is actually having a router that's nearby your Xbox that has internet and that's near your modem. Most people don't. Some people do. I don't know. It just depends on your setup. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Check out the Life Made Easy podcast linked in the description. We're almost at 50 subs. Go subscribe over there and receive exclusive shout-outs on the channel. Gaming Made Easy. My other channel is almost at 1,000 subs, so I'd appreciate you guys head over there. Leave it a like. Check out some of the past live streams I've done. And yeah, stay tuned for future episodes of Life Made Easy. And I'll look at any comments down below, any suggestions you have on future videos. Peace out, guys.